We're going to go into our settings, Bluetooth. Triple press on the black button, 1, 2, 3. What we're going to do is now close out, reopen, and disconnect. Forget device. I'm going to now go back in to the 360 application, hit the camera, and see if it finds the device. I'm going to triple press, 1, 2, 3. We are now connected. Connect like so, and allow the mic to connect. Press the power button to confirm connection. We've done that. There is new firmware. Let's start the download. It is quickly downloading to the microphone. It may take you a number of tries to do this. As we connect, it'll take a few minutes to do. The ink image at default, you may change it to any logo imaginable. Waiting for the device and pairing with firmware. The device does not show any LEDs as it's loading the firmware. Allow the device to connect. There is a buzz, vibration, a blue light, the image flashing, as you can see, and the update successful. Repair and connect. As we hit repair and connect, we are back with the Insta360 logo. Allow it to search with the blue light breathing. The image does not glow in the dark, but a light is needed to see the image or in daylight. As we're trying to find the device, it is researching and taking too long. What we are going to do is press 3 times, 1, 2, 3, as in the background the instructions say so, and then we are able to connect. And we are connected like so. These are the steps. This is the application that you could record, mute, and weak noise cancellation, strong noise cancellation, and off. We have a custom wallpaper. We press. We can have it in black, display label, tag color, click OK, and position the label, and set as wallpaper, and agree to the following terms. And then it's loading within a number of seconds. The setting is confirmed. It's flashing. Hit got it. And it's setting up. Just like that. If you want to go back to the original, you have the original. And set as wallpaper. While it's setting up, we can look at sports, climbing, running, hiking, cycling, cities, illustrations, emojis, personalities. There are many to choose from. And labels. And brand. In the top of the unit, label custom. Take away the name and put your own name in and set as the wallpaper. Labels positioned for the top, bottom, or custom. As we choose the custom, we could take it, move it anywhere around, and set as the wallpaper. If we hit the plus, we could select from a photo album, add via share code, add via QR code. We could back out. We have a label setting, the text grain, the tone, a format of erasing, more settings. This is where you set up your transmitter. And the power button function, child lock, vibration feedback, indicator light to show stealth mode, and more. You could clear the ghosting, and you have the version. Now that is everything that you have there, and you're linking. We're going to custom wallpaper, hit custom, add from our library. We could center it, fit it, click on next. We can make it bright, dark. Go back to the previous step and confirm. We could put our label, which we put our name, and we cannot make it any bigger than as is. There is a center line as we do so, and load. And click on it, and see if it comes out turquoise with the lettering. And there we are. Certain images are not perfect, but that is how you do a custom. And then you could come here and delete off the custom. And there is the final outcome of a logo being made.